Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Abdullah and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this useful information. Today is Tuesday, 6th of September 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Australia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without the tax is 81.26 and with tax is 89.39. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 74.60 and with tax is 82.06. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 71.10 and with tax is 78.21. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 60.94 and with tax is 67.03. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 47.54 and with tax is 52.29. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 33.88 and with tax is 37.27. 6 carats gold 1 gram price without tax is 20.31 and with tax is 22.34. Keeping in mind the VAT or the GST in Australia is 10%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.